What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a Jeep Wrangler. This is a 2019 model here, but it will be the same on several different years. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. And if we look on the left-hand side, we're going to see this latch right here. To get that off, you're going to want to pull it kind of down and towards you, and then it'll pull straight out. Like that. Once you have that removed, we need to, on the top here, we need to press this little tab. Press this tab right here. And that's gonna allow the glove box to come down a little bit. And then once it comes down, you just pull it off like that. So then if we take a closer look in here, this item right here is gonna be the door to the cabin filter. And there's this pinch clip on the left-hand side. Just pinch, and then that'll pull off of there. And now we can see the actual cabin filter right here. And I don't have the new filter. I'm gonna have to come back to this. So I'm not actually gonna replace it right now. But when you put your new one in, just make sure you pay attention to the airflow. You want the airflow going down. And then you'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. You'll put your cabin filter door back on, grab your glove box, line the hinges up on the bottom, push it up, and then the last part is you need to reattach your latch again. And that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.